In this video, we will talk about how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. Along with that, I'm leaving a link in the description to download all-in-one Windows 10, which you can use to install Windows 10 on your VirtualBox. For to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox, click on New. Here you need to give a name. Let's type here W10. Here you can select the folder, the location you want to save your Windows 10, and you need to select the ISO image. The link is given in the description, so from there you can download all-in-one Windows 10 for your VirtualBox. Once you click on this arrow, you will get this option Other. Click on it. Then you need to go to your download folder where you have downloaded Windows 10, and afterward you need to select all-in-one Windows 10. Click on Open. Here you can see that it has all the edition: Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Pro. So you can download this ISO image from the link given in the description. Select the option as per your requirement. I'm selecting Windows 10 Pro. After this, click on Next. Here you can type the username. Let me type eTechniz and type the password. I'm typing 1 for now. And leave the host name as it is, and make sure do not leave any space, because this could not let you to install or to move further to install your Windows 10 on your VirtualBox. So you do not have to leave any space. Click on Next. Here you need to select your base memory. I'm leaving the option as it is. Click on Next. After that, create a virtual hard disk now, and you can select your hard disk from here. I'm leaving it as it is, because it required at least 50 GB of space to install Windows 10. Sooner I'm gonna create a video for Windows 11 as well, and I'll show you that how much space it required for Windows 11, and you can see that I have already installed and I have already tested that. After this, click on Next, and here you can check the details. Click on Finish. You can see that it's powering VM up. Let me minimize it. Okay, here you can see that it's installing the Windows 10 on my VirtualBox. Alright, here you can see that Windows 10 installed on our VM VirtualBox. Now we have to make some changes. For to set a scale mode, here you can see that this is a scale mode, but this will not work until and unless you install the guest edition CD image. So let's do that. Click on Insert Guest Additional CD Image. After this, click on File Explorer. Click on this PC. You will get CD drive VirtualBox Guest Edition. Click on it. And here you will see the file you want to run. I have AMD X64 CPU, so simply do a right click and click on Open. Click on Yes. Click on Next, Next, and install it. Click on Finish. Alright, here you can see that it's not yet set up to scale mode, so let me click on View and click on Scale Mode. Alright, here you can see that we have a scale mode, yet we need to do some things. For that, you need to install the updates, and once you'll install the updates, you will get this Windows 10 properly showing up on your VirtualBox. So that's how you can install Windows 10 on your VirtualBox. If you are facing any problem related to Windows 10, Windows 11 or Ubuntu, then you can visit to our forum page showing up on your screen, and there you can ask your question. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.